Hello, hello. My name is Sonia, and that is my preferred name. I am 26 years old, and I live in the beautiful rainy state of Washington. With that said, I graduated from Washington State University, Vancouver, go Cougs, with a bachelor's in psychology and a minor in human development. I graduated about 2 years ago, and I spent about a year afterwards being a restaurant manager. And then just this last year, I decided to go back to the community college for a program for addiction counseling. Last September, I decided to apply to an agency called Columbia River Mental Health Services, and I got the job as a case manager. I primarily work at the local jail as a case manager through a grant that we have to help individuals who are um, addicted to drugs and alcohol. Um, so basically, with COVID-19, I am forced to work from home. So I've been having to switch my role from a case manager to a counselor. It's been a little difficult, but I'm managing. I am super, super excited to be starting this program. I'm nervous as well, but that just goes along with the whole process. Um, some things that I like to do when I'm not at school or at work is I like to hike. It rains a lot, but there's a lot of hiking to do around here. I like to sometimes take trips to the beach. I snowboard. I take my dog to the river all the time. But yeah, I'm looking forward to meeting everyone else, and I am excited.